This is your today's class. More previous videos continuity. Listen, 12th sum. Using step deviation method, calculate the mean marks of the following distribution. So, I hope you all know this. Last, in using mean, we done step deviation method, the same procedure. And we need to find the second subdivision is model class. Model class na mode. Nothing new here. Listen, this is the calculation mean. They used to find step deviation method. What's the formula for step deviation method? Ui. So x bar equal to a plus c into sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi. How we find ui? Ui equal to xi minus a by c. Okay, first we need to frame a table column. Already this same exact model I show you in the mean video. If you have any doubt in this, just to refer that. Listen. First, class interval. Next xi. What is xi? Midpoint of 50 and 55. Next fi na given frequency. Then we need to find ui. How we find ui? Xi minus a by c. Next fi ui. Listen. These are all class intervals. This is given frequency. Xi na we need to find the midpoint of these two. So 50 plus 55 divided by 2, 52.5. Midpoint of 55, 60, 57.5. 60 to 65, 62.5. So proceed. 85 to 90, 87.5. Next, how we find ui? What's the meaning of xi first value? 52.5 minus what is a? A means assumed mean. So listen, how we find the assumed mean? Listen, how many values here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally we have 8 values. So these two are the even numbers. In these two, you can assumption 67.5 or else 72.5. It's your wish. So using these two, you can take any one as the assumed limit. Here I took 67.5. So 67.5 divided by what is C? C now width. What's the difference of this? 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65. So width is 5. I means interval. So divided by 5 equal to minus 3. In the same procedure, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen ma, one more clue. If we are using step deviation method, it's most probably it's come in the integer order. That means, what's the meaning of integer order? See, first value we got minus 3, no? Just you work it on, see, second value you have minus 2. So next to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. If we have more than terms, in the same procedure. Next, how we find FIUI? We need to multiple frequency with this u. 5 into minus 3, minus 15. 20 into minus 2, minus 40. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. 10 into 0, 0. 9 into 1, 9. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 8 into 4, 32. After that, first step we need to find mean. So finding mean, we need a sigma FIUI value and frequency value. So add all of this, you will be getting 24. What's the total frequency? 80. Now we are going to apply all these in the formula, mean formula. What is A? We took 67.5 plus what is C? 5 into what is sigma FIUI? 24. What is sigma Fi? 80. So 24 divided by 80. Do the simplification, you will be getting 69. So this sum mean value is 69. This is the step deviation method. And second subdivision, they asked to find mode. What's the meaning of mode? Listen, this table column only for the finding mean. For finding mode, you look into the given question. Looking into the given question. Listen. First, we are going to look into frequency. Listen. Here, which is the highest value? 5, 20, 10, 10, 9, 6, 12, 8. So, which is the highest value? 20 is the highest value. We know mode the number of frequency occur to mode. So, 20 now what's the interval? 55 to 60. So, 55 to 60 is the mode of this sum. I hope you all understand this. Next, 13th question. The following table gives the weekly wages. Okay, so this is the weekly wages. This sum and this 12th sum is the same sum. Here, listen. First, what we need to find? We need to find mean. Second question, we need to find model class. Next, the number of workers getting weekly wages below 80. That means 80 க்கு கம்மியா வாங்கிருக்கவங்களோட weekly wages ஓட value. The number of workers getting rupees 65 more but less than 85. That means 65 to 85. 65 ல இருந்து 85 வரைக்கும் உள்ள எவ்வளவு பேர் வாங்கிப்பாங்க அப்படிங்கறத ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். So listen. Here first step we need to find mean. Previous question they asked to find step deviation. So you are using only that model. But here they won't mention anything. So for finding mean we have 3 type. Using the 3 type you can use any one type here. Here I took direct method. What's the formula for direct method? Sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. First you need to frame a table column. What is given? First weekly wages, next number of workers, frequency. For finding this we need a class mark, cumulative frequency and fi xi. Listen, this is class intervals, this is wages, and how we find a class mark? Midpoint of the interval. So 50 to 55 na 52.5, 55 to 60 na 57.5, 60 to 65 na 62.5. So like this 85 to 90 na 87.5. After that we are going to find cumulative frequency. For finding mean we don't want cumulative frequency, no, because cumulative frequency we are using only in median. Then for what purpose we are using cumulative frequency here? For finding a mode. Okay, if it is frequency value we are looking into the cumulative frequency. So that purpose we are using this. So cumulative frequency. How we find a cumulative frequency? Compare the frequency. 5 plus 20 25, 25 plus 10 35, 35 plus 10 45, 45 plus 9 54, 54 plus 6 60, 60 plus 12 72, 72 plus 8 80. This is the cumulative frequency. Next fi xi. How we find fi xi? This is fi, this is xi. 52.5 into 5 262.5, 20 into 25 1150, 20 into 57.5 1150, 10 into 62.5 625, 10 into 67.5 675, 9 into 72.5 652, 6 into 77.5 465, 12 into 82.5 990, 8 into 87.5 700. Next add all those things, you will be getting 5520. What is the total frequency? 80. Now we are going to apply for the mean formula. What is mean formula? Sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi r. What is sigma fi xi value? 5520 divided by 80. So simplify this, you will be getting 69. Second question they asked to find model class. How we find a model class? Compare to the question. Listen. In a frequency which is the highest term, 20 is the highest frequency. So 55 to 60 is the model class. Same in the previous step. See the third question. Number of workers getting weekly wages below 80. So we need to find below 80. Look into the weekly wages value. Below 80 now listen. In the table column எடுத்துக்க கூடாது. Below 80 na 75 to 80 வரைக்கும் தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். So what is the cumulative frequency here? 60. So below 80 க்கு கீழ 60 members இருப்பாங்க. Next question same thing. 65 to 85. 65 ல இருந்து 85 வரைக்கும். So 65 to 85 அப்படினா என்ன வரும்? Listen. 65 start here. 65 na 35 ah, 85 na 72 ah. Question is from 65 to 85. So what is 85 value? 72 ah. 65 value 35 ah. You need to subtract this. 72 minus 35. So 72 minus 35 is 37. So what is the number? How many workers are there? 37 workers are there. Okay, man, listen. Up to this mode exercise over. So up to this video I am going to stop the video classes. We are going to prepare for your July monthly exam portions. So prepare well students. Thank you.